In your UPS account area, you'll see an option to reauthorize. So what you'll do is you'll go ahead and click that button. You'll click Save. I will get a new tab that pops open, which is my UPS login page. And I'll just go ahead and put in my UPS credentials here. I will click Continue. I will add in my password. I will get a confirmation message saying that my authentication has confirmed, and I can navigate back to the shipping settings page in Inksoft. I can close this link, and it is going to give me a success message or failure message depending on if the connection was successful.